Welcome to the day 2 of healing session. So today we are going to learn more about the second healing modality, which is called Ho'oponopono healing. Yesterday we have learned about the modality known as emotional freedom technique. So today I really want you to pay a lot of attention, because we are not only going to discuss a lot more about healing, and we are also going to understand that yes, why healing is necessary. So yesterday we learned that why is healing necessary. I hope it was clear to everyone. I would like to revise for you today that why healing is necessary. See, we have our body, mind, and soul. And when this body, mind, and soul it is disturbed due to overthinking, disturbed due to many other reasons, we undergo a disturbance in our body, mind, and soul. And when we want to go to the default settings of this body, mind, and soul, where we go and heal ourselves. Let me tell you that this healing power is available in our body, and we can heal our own self. But as we are not aware of it, and we are not a learned person of healing modality, so that is the reason we are not able to do that. So in that case, I always suggest that you should always do a healing session with a mentor. So thank you so much. So let us understand that why do we really need healing. We need healing so that our body, mind, and soul can be recharged. It can go onto the default settings, and we can go and get what we want in our life. For real transformation, healing is necessary. For real things in life, when you are going on this journey of law of attraction, also the healing is one of the part which is really necessary. Before healing, you will not be able to manifest things in your life. So healing is necessary. So you will ask me this question, that for what things I can do the healing. Healings can be done for the situations, for the things, and for the people. So yesterday we have done this healing for our body, because health is the main pillar of our life. So we have done this healing for our body yesterday. So today we are also going to do the healing for the body itself, because it can show us the instant result. And that is the reason it is called the instant relief therapy, that we can just heal our body in just few minutes, as we did yesterday. So after yesterday's healing, how many of you do you feel that yes, healing is necessary for my body, necessary for my situations, necessary for my own relationships? So please type in the chat box if you can relate with me that yes, healing is necessary for me, ma'am. And that is the reason I'm here in the session today. And I really want to heal myself. It can be any kind of pain in your body, which can be healed by healing. There can be other things in your life like relationships. There can be other things in your life like your career and your money. Even those things can be healed, and these healing modalities can be used for all the things in our life. So thank you so much for typing in the chat box. Yes, Ramya says that yes, she feels that healing is necessary. So let's take this healing journey to that next level today. Let us understand that what is the meaning of Ho'oponopono healing and how it was brought into this world. Let us understand more about this healing modality. So let me tell you that Dr. Hugh Len, he was a doctor in mental hospital, and he, by using this technique, he healed around 40 to 50 patients in that mental hospital without even meeting them. So it will be a something new for you today to learn that how it is possible that without meeting any person, how a doctor can heal anyone. So this Dr. Hugh Len, he was sitting in his office every day and was just reading the files of the patients And after 1 year, all the patients were healed. Even the other doctors and nurses were astonished that what exactly happened. He never met any patient. The patients were the mental patients who were so much aggressive. They did not even talk. They always were ready to fight, and even nurses and everyone was so much scared of them. Those patients were healed by using this ancient Hawaiian technique known as Ho'oponopono healing. It is also called as self-healing process. And today we are going to learn more about Ho'oponopono, as well as we are going to experience more about Ho'oponopono healing. So as we have done a lot of work yesterday, I really don't want you to miss this chance to understand and take this process further. So the 4 sentences that we use in the healing process are: I am sorry, please forgive me, thank you, and I love you. So these are the 4 sentences which we use to heal any kind of problem in our life. It can be situations, it can be things, and it can be people. It can be the pain, it can be depression, it can be any other thing. So 100% healing can be done for everything in your life. So let's go and experience this healing today. So what you are going to do, please carry a water bottle nearby, and do tell your people around you that don't disturb me for next 15 to 20 minutes, because I really want you to experience this healing, and I really don't want you to open the eyes in between. That is the reason I'm telling you to tell people around you that please don't disturb me for next 15 to 20 minutes. So let's start with the healing process. What you have to do, you have to sit in the comfortable position wherein you can take a backrest, but your spine should be erect. You have to put your hands on your heart, firstly the right hand, then the left hand. If you can see in the window that yes, I'm putting the right hand, then the left hand on my heart, and I am going to heal today. So before going into this process of healing, as Ramya shared that she is having a lot of pain. So let's bring Ramya and let's heal her today with the help of this Ho'oponopono technique. So whatever thoughts are going in your mind, Ramya, today, we have to say those thoughts upfront, and then we have to release that pain. So if you're having a pain at a particular place in your body, maybe your stomach, or you're having cramps or thighs, so you can just put your hand also on that place, or you can just put your hand on your heart. So both things are possible. You can just use either ways. So let's take this position and start the healing process. And after that, we are going to see that how it exactly helps us to heal within few minutes. Let's start with the process. Please do tell me if you can hear my voice as well as the voice of the song. Can you hear me? Please type in the chat box if you can. Yes, thank you so much, Ramya, for taking this effort and being so active. Thank you so much. So let's keep our hands on our heart and take this moment. Take a deep breath inside and a very slow exhale. Again, take a deep breath inside and a very slow exhale. Stay connected with my voice. And the third time, take a deep breath inside and a very slow exhale. Slow down your body. Feel that relaxation in your body. Feel that your facial muscles are getting relaxed. Your shoulders are getting relaxed. Your back is getting relaxed. Your thighs are getting relaxed. Your calf muscles are getting relaxed. Your hands and feet are relaxed. Just feel that relaxation in your whole body and stay connected with my voice and tell to the universe that all this pain which I am going through right now, I have only attracted this pain in my life. I have only manifested this pain in my life because I have been hearing these thoughts that in periods there is always a lot of pain. I have created so many negative thoughts regarding the periods. I have always thought that yes, it is a bad thing which is happening in my body. But today, I take 100% responsibility of this pain. And I am sorry, universe, for creating all these type of thoughts which have created a lot of pain in my body. Please forgive me, universe, because it was me only who was creating a lot of negative thoughts. But today, I take 100% responsibility of my body. I am sorry, universe, that I have not taken proper diet, and that is also one of the reason I'm having so much of pain and so much of cramps. I did not do proper exercise of my body. That is also one of the reason I am having so much of pain. But today, I am sorry, universe, and please forgive me, universe, for this pain. And thank you so much for this pain, universe. Because of this pain, I am able to realize this thing that there is something which I have created in my life. Because of this pain, I am able to understand that how important my body is to me. I have not taken care of this body properly, and that is the reason I am facing this pain today. So thank you so much, pain, for teaching me all these lessons. And tell that pain that yes, I love you, that pain, and keep repeating with me that I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Feel that pain is already being released from your body and release it from your mind as well. Feel that it is going out of your body in the form of a black smoke. Feel that release that it is releasing from your body. Keep repeating after me. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. I am sorry. Please forgive me. Thank you. I love you. Feel that relaxation in your body. Feel that relaxation in your mind. And feel that pain has already been released from your body. When you feel comfortable, you can rub your hands and put it on your eyes and feel that you are coming back. Let's do this EFT also, what we have done yesterday. Let's repeat that EFT process as well. I hope you remember all the points, because that is also going to help you to release a lot of pain in your body. So let's do this EFT process.
Stop asking research questions to ChatGPT. Its answers are not reliable, and they are difficult.
So let's go and do this deep healing today. Keep listening to my voice and stay connected with my voice, and start tapping the first point known as the karate chop point. Start tapping and telling yourself that yes, I am the one who has attracted this pain in my body. I am the one who has been thinking a lot about this pain whole day. I am the one who has manifested this pain. I am the one who has not done the exercise to my body. I am the one who has not eaten proper food. I have been eating a lot of junk food. I have been putting a lot of cola in my body, and that is the reason I'm facing a lot of problems in my life. Today, I take 100% responsibility of my body and of this pain. Today, universe, please help me to come out of this pain, because I love myself, I accept myself, and I respect myself the way I am now. Keep tapping on the second point, come to the second point, and keep tapping and telling yourself that yes, I am the manifester of this pain. I have only attracted this pain in my body. But universe, I really want you to please help me to release this pain today, and help me to move out of my situation right now, because I love myself, I respect myself, and I accept myself the way I am now. Come on the third point and keep tapping. Keep your eyes closed and feel that pain is also being released from your body. Keep tapping with me and tell yourself that yes, I have only manifested this pain in my body. I have not taken care of this body. Today, I take 100% responsibility of my pain, of my problems. And today, I want you to heal me, universe. I call upon all the divine energies to heal me and to bless me with lot of positivity. Because I love myself, I accept myself, and I respect myself the way I am now. Let's go on the next point and keep tapping and telling yourself that I manifested this pain in my life. Today, I take 100% responsibility of everything that is going in my life. Today, I take 100% responsibility of this pain. I really want you to help me, universe, to heal myself, because I love myself, I accept myself, and I respect myself the way I am now. Go on the next point and keep tapping that yes, universe, today I take 100% responsibility because I love myself, I respect myself, and I accept myself the way I am. Keep tapping and telling yourself that I love myself, I respect myself, and I accept myself the way I am now. Keep tapping and keep telling that I love myself, I respect myself, and I accept myself the way I am. Go on the collarbone point and keep tapping and telling yourself, and feel that release of energy from your collarbone, from your chest, and keep telling that yes, I manifested all these things in my life, but today I am healing myself because I love myself, I respect myself, and I accept myself the way I am now. Go on your thumb and keep tapping and telling yourself that I love myself, I respect myself, and I accept myself the way I am. Go on the next point and telling yourself that I love myself, I respect myself, and I accept myself the way I am now. Go on the next point on the next finger and keep telling yourself that yes, I manifested this pain. I take 100% responsibility of this pain today because I love myself, I respect myself, and I accept myself the way I am now. Go on the last finger and keep tapping that yes, I love myself, I respect myself, and I accept myself the way I am now. Come on the last point and keep telling yourself that yes, I manifested this thing in my life. But today I want to release this pain and I just want to move forward in my life. Because I love myself, I respect myself, and I accept myself the way I am now. Keep tapping and keep telling yourself that yes, I have released all the pain. And feel this vibration in your whole body. You can raise your hands on your chest level and you can just bless everyone in the room, bless your parents, bless your friends, bless your people in your house, and will bless everyone. Bless your country, bless Bangladesh, and bless your city, and bless your house, bless everyone, your all near and dear ones, and feel that release of your pain. And tell the universe, thank you, thank you, thank you. So after doing this healing process, I really want to know that how are you feeling after the healing? That do you feel that some pain was released, or how do you feel? I really want you to unmute and tell me. If possible, switch on your camera so we can have that energy exchange. If possible.
Ma'am, it was good.
Yeah, feeling
The
better?
pain was, yes, yes, I was feeling better. I'm feeling better actually. I was feeling a bit low not because of the period, some other issues I have.
Okay.
So now I'm feeling calm.
Feeling calm and better. So
Yes.
if somebody is giving you this opportunity that you can do these kind of healings for every area of your life and we can connect on daily basis for half an hour, so how many of you would be interested to take this opportunity? Please type in the chat box if you are ready to take this opportunity, because tomorrow I'm going to give you this opportunity that you can connect with me everyday basis. Of course, it will be a paid program which will be told to you tomorrow that what are the charges and all. But really, if you feel that it can really help you release pain in within 10 minutes, release the emotional trauma, whatever things you were going through in your life, if that can really help you within 10 minutes. So imagine that if you are doing this thing regularly for 1 month, how fast you can release those things in your life and start creating a new life. We also have some classes of law of attraction, and we also do one-to-one sessions. So in case you would be interested, you can get back to me on that process also. So today we have learned about healing process, the healing process of Ho'oponopono, wherein only 4 sentences or phrases that really help us to release a lot of things that are going through in our life. And when we release those things in our life, we are able to move forward. We are able to attract the best things in our life. We are able to create the best life for ourselves. So do take this opportunity and keep healing yourself and keep moving forward in your life. So today's session will be till here only. See you all tomorrow at 7 o'clock sharp. And do connect and send messages in the group. If you feel that you want to connect with me one-to-one, you're always welcome. So thank you for joining in. Have a blessed evening.
Thank you, ma'am.
Is there anything else, Ramya, you would like to share or say?
No, ma'am. I just wanted to ask about the one-to-one session. Do you give about only the money